Unraveling the mystery, the iguana's sharp claws. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of English phrases and imagery. Today's focus is on a very vivid phrase, iguana's sharp claws. This phrase is a great example of how English can use specific images to convey certain characteristics or feelings. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your everyday English. Iguana's sharp claws refers literally to the physical trait of an iguana. Iguanas are reptiles known for their long, sharp claws. These claws are not just for show. They serve important purposes, such as climbing, digging, and defending themselves from predators. When we use this phrase in English, it's usually to draw a comparison or to vividly describe something that is sharp, potentially harmful, or effective in a similar way to how an iguana's claws are. Imagery is a powerful tool in the English language. It helps to create vivid pictures in the mind of the reader or listener. By saying, iguana's sharp claws, the speaker uses the image of the iguana's claws to add depth and clarity to their message. This technique is widely used in English to make descriptions more lively and engaging. It's not just about the literal meaning of the words, but also about the pictures those words can paint in our minds. You might use iguana's sharp claws in various contexts. For example, describing a person's sharp wit. His humor is like an iguana's sharp claws. It's quick and can catch you off guard. Talking about a tool or technology. This new software cuts through our old problems like an iguana's sharp claws through leaves. Describing effective arguments or criticisms. Her critique was as precise and cutting as an iguana's sharp claws. In each case, the phrase adds a layer of meaning and imagery that makes the description more powerful and memorable. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, iguana's sharp claws, and how it showcases the beauty and complexity of the English language. Through vivid imagery and comparison, English allows us to convey meaning in a dynamic and engaging way. I hope this lesson has been informative and has inspired you to explore more such phrases in your language learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the world they open up for us. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to our next adventure in English together.